Hey there, sunshine! Here in my hands today, I have my September Medusa's makeup box to unbox with you guys, and I am so excited because this box I unboxed for the first time last month, and I am so happy with it. I was so impressed with the quality of everything. I loved the variety of products that I got, and not to mention everything was vegan and cruelty-free. So for those of you guys who follow those personal preferences or follow a vegan lifestyle, I wanted to start offering something like that to you guys, and here it is in this super cute subscription box. So I'm so excited to unbox it. Just look at this. I just look like this tattooed on my body. It is so like, I don't know. It's just so amazing. It's so powerful. Just get that like empowering vibe just from the look of this box. Okay. So look how cute the inside of it is. Oh my goodness. Okay. So this month's theme is Escape the Ordinary. And then there's a $5 off coupon. Okay, the next card that I pulled out says September 2019. This month we transition from summer to fall with some fresh neutrals and clean skin. And then on the back, it says vegan curious. So maybe you were not vegan, but curious about becoming one. It seems a little daunting to suddenly give up your favorite pizza, right? Here's a few things you can do to get started. Switch to almond or oat milk. Eat veggie burgers instead of meat. Scramble tofu instead of eggs. Eat your fruits and veggies. Chips and guacamole are vegan. Oh, I didn't even ever think about guacamole being vegan. Wow. So that's really, really cool. And the October beauty box is going to be romantic, gothic, glam. I can't wait. October, Halloween, favorite holiday. Yes. Woo. Okay. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Holy crap. Look at this. This is the most beautiful bottle I have ever seen in my entire life. This is eye makeup remover with chamomile. This is the cutest bottle I have ever seen. Look at this. Please give me all of your attention and just look at this. I need you to look at this. It's so beautiful. Also, I love how clear it is. It's just so pleasing. I'm so glad that we didn't have that white label breaking up the beautiful clearness of this bottle. This is so freaking cute. Oh my God. Okay. The next thing that I am pulling out is some more tissue paper. And I've got this Medusa's makeup eyeshadow. Okay, the packaging. Yes, we love a tropical moment. That is so cute. Okay, I suck at opening packages. So I'm just starting to tear through them like a candy bar because I am a child and I don't have hand-eye coordination, or at least enough to open up any sort of packaging. Okay, so this is teal. This is really cute. And then the back of it looks like this. It says Matte Eyeshadow Bermuda. Ooh, can I open it? Probably not. Ooh, this is a fun color. I really thought it was gonna be black, but it's like a dark purpley gray color. Let's just take a, ooh, it's so soft. So soft on the back of my hand. I just wanna put my face on it and sleep. Beautiful. It is a little streaky, but I don't know if that's probably just because, how I was pressing it and not on them. Okay, the next thing that I received is this Medusa's Makeup Eye Dust in Magenta. I love these. These are my favorite because they're shiny. They're like metallic and you can just be like, ooh, I have metallic eyeshadow. The last thing that I received in Medusa's makeup is this Lovebird Tinted Lip Balm. Yes, I love lip balm. This is in shade Pucker. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's so big. It doesn't really have too much of a smell. It kind of reminds me of chocolate, but whoa, that really went on so soft and smooth. That was not what I was expecting at all. Like I was really expecting to have to get some like pressure up in there, but that went on so smoothly. Here's an up close shot of the eyeshadow and the tinted lip balm in case you did not get to see it very well. So there's no price card that comes with Medusa's makeup, so I can't tell you how much everything in the box is valued, but that is everything that I got in my September Medusa's makeup box. I can't tell you how excited I am to try this. Like, this is my favorite product in the box. Like, I can't stop staring at it. It is so freaking beautiful. But that is everything that I received in my September Medusa's makeup box. What did you guys think of this box? What was your favorite product? I can't wait to hear your thoughts in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.